Okay, you guys, we are in Hamilton, Missouri again. We actually just went over to Whispers of Yore to do some filming there, so you'll have to check out that video. And we noticed there's a trunk show in town, so we're gonna go check it out. Okay, so tell us what we're seeing.
Okay, these are the homemade quilt challenge by Tula Pink and Free Spirit. So there's 12 quilts on the show, and all they were given was told that they had to use the homemade line by Tula Pink, and then they can create their own designs and everything like that. They just had to use the Free Spirit, Tula Pink, and any of their solids, and then Aurifil did the thread, so that's how they are. And they're gonna.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind. I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where